JAC against unnatural shifting of District Hospital Imphal East from Sagolmang says Chief Minister Biren has invited the JAC to discuss construction of the District Hospital at Sagolmang tomorrow. Minister L. Jantukumar announces diploma course of Manipur State Film Training Institute will commence from August this year. National General Secretary of BJP Arun Singh claims BJP will win both seats of the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019 in Manipur. Former Kumbi MLA veteran politician Ningthauja Mangi leaves BJP with a resolution to join another party which has better prospects for the state. And Justice N. Kotishore appeals to all to show regards and acceptance to transgender, the third gender in the society. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kanguzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren has summoned a meeting with JAC against unnatural shifting of District Hospital Imphal East from Sagolmang to discuss the construction of the District Hospital at Sagolmang. The Chief Minister will hold a meeting with the representatives of the JAC tomorrow at Chief Minister's Secretariat in Babupara. The JAC appreciated the Chief Minister for acknowledging the movements of the people of Kundrakpam and Saikul constituencies for the past 2 months. Addressing media person at Manipur Press Club today, co-convener of the JAC S. Yaiskul expressed hope that the meeting will bring a positive outcome to the prolonged issue. He also appealed to people of Kundrakpam constituency not to organize any protests regarding the construction of District Hospital at Sagolmang and warned that any group or individuals holding any protest events regarding the same must be held responsible for their own actions.
Chief Minister magi integrity yung phamoy ba jat bijati khaida bai khoi amatani habi wakhalon da sagatchaba aduguma magi luchingba sigi makhara sungsoi soidan hayeng positive wakhalon singje ai khoi je sigi mai gai degiju thamjari pibi rakani habi wakhalon thamjaba loinana asigumba yamna positive wakhalon singsi laingi merak sida adugumba hope sal sigi mari leinaba wakan mi pham phambana chingbai any khoi gi program sing hayeng degi hona khoi amata tawbiganu maramdi akhoi han positive lai pot puding magse akhoi punna masilomi nana baloina masida kana kana gumba sinba khotpa yaw targari madugi daita do sili langni basingna madu phangani haibase je sigi mai gadiga chipo wakpa machi thamjari.
Art and Culture Minister L. Jantukumar has announced that diploma course of Manipur State Film Training Institute will commence from August this year and arrangements are in place to recruit 9 academic teachers for the same. Jantukumar was speaking at an award distribution ceremony of the 2nd Manipur Short Fiction Film Festival 2017-18 organized by Cine Director Guild Manipur at MPDS Auditorium today. Renowned Manipuri actress Tontoy was presented the Barak Cine Award Northeast. Director of the Art and Culture was also honored on the occasion. During the event, members of Cine Editor Guild drew the attention of the minister to the inconveniences facing the filmmakers in Manipur and the necessity for constituting a cine policy in the state soon. In reply, Minister L. Jantukumar assured that constitution of the cine policy is almost complete and ready to be announced. However, due to financial constraint, it has been delayed. He urged not to hesitate against the same and appealed for cooperation at the wake of such situation.
Tawbugi haina bi leite moimung gongu yam bazung gongi pena gongu yam bazung gongi pena di pena ulai uji but pena bo ji kana la kan ni si president handed the prize big the pena se sigi mohunta matam mo da ko ni lem bokli khongjom ro kada wai chak ge se kana gongu na hang bi yaw ra bro si ni art and culture nu siam tar ge di he or she madu na gama do khongjom pro sapang ma bakil gi adigi khunung si sapang ma bakil gi mi mga le du pi ba ngam thoi but kana ngam de ka do ben ba wo yaw de Kadui Babu Yaude, Masi Yapin command to get it. Mean a Pajay prize, Peter Babu command to get it. Isana is almost a Sunday. We don't try to understand who we are. We say, Isana Kaino to become the Bapamdi.
National General Secretary of BJP, Arun Singh, has claimed that BJP will win both seats of the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019 in Manipur. Speaking to media person at BJP office in Nitai Park, Chuthe, Arun Singh stated that people in the state and the country wish for Narendra Modi to retain his prime ministership based on the immense contribution and change brought about by the Narendra Modi-led NDA government in the past 4 years. He intimated that leaders of BJP met Padma Shri Waigamini as part of the meeting with eminent personalities to seek their advice and blessing in celebration of the completion of 4 years of BJP government at the center and 1 year in the state. Arun Singh said Gambini lauded the works of the BJP government and maintained that it is the desire of the people to make BJP retains its rule in the country. Criticizing the Congress party, he mocked that Rahul Gandhi is not a threat to BJP.
The support that we are getting, we are sure that in 2019 the Modi ji is going to be again Prime Minister with more seats. मणिपुर के दोनों लोकसभा सीट भारतीय जनता पार्टी जीतेगी और मोदी जी को प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए वह उनके झोली में डालेगी और दोनों लोकसभा सीट पे कांग्रेस हारेगी। इसलिए हारेगी कि कांग्रेस का निगेटिव पॉलिटिक्स कर रही है, कांग्रेस प्रोवोकेशन कर रही है, यहाँ के लोगों की जनभावना को आक्रोशित कर रही है और कांग्रेस का नेतृत्व राहुल गांधी एक फ्लॉप नेतृत्व है।
Spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party and State Executive Member, former MLA of Kumbi constituency, Ningthongzam Mangi has left BJP with a resolution to join another party which has better prospect of protecting the state. Mangi, who left the CPI Manipur State Council in 2017 to join BJP Manipur Pradesh, made the announcement to media person at his residence in Sangay Prau today. Speaking further, Mangi said he joined the BJP believing the assurances given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to bring development and changes in the country. However, the BJP government's assurance for Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas is moving on the opposite direction. He said he is not sure if Chief Minister Biren-led coalition government is indeed a coalition government anymore. Mangi alleged that with the BJP in power, the rich are getting richer while the poor are getting poorer in the country. The former MLA of Kumbi said he resolved to leave the party after a meeting convened between BJP Kumbi Mandal and people in the area to discuss on the territorial integrity of the state and other welfare projects undertaken by the government. Mangi said he has submitted his resignation letter to the president of BJP Manipur Pradesh today, following leaders and members of BJP Kumbi Mandal who tendered resignation from the party yesterday.
Sabka Vikas hairadi Hindu Muslim Sikh Isai Bharat leriba Bharat Barsi punama Manipur leriba Singtam Praja punama Chap manaba miyeng da yengadra haibasina madugi ona tainaba dalaya lamdam asigi iramdam gi nungsiba mi punamak se hojikti khanaba haureba kari thodoke haibasi manungda lerega thengnabasina ngangbasu yadaba BJP de tuba akoina BJP oiba phangdaba khungang chatlo hairaga akoigi mandan je phambam pidaba moina phamba atopa party amada yaujare haidana discussion haura aba mandan to mayamgi mandan ya thang matungi nga si design to gi che sima submit tawjerani Manipur da apunba masagalaga lepa si kanbegi de koi party ase tangai phadana situation si de top de yadana ai tokjerabani.
Judge of High Court of Manipur, Justice N. Kwatishore, has called on to show regards and acceptance to transgender, a third gender in the society as declared by the Supreme Court of India. He was speaking at the one-day workshop on ending violence and promoting transgender inclusion in Manipur interdepartmental dialogue organized by Manipur State Legal Services Authority, MALSA, in collaboration with Sati, Amana and Ita at the auditorium of the High Court. Speaking further, Kwatishore maintained that transgender community is an integral part of the society since early days and they have been playing significant roles in the society. However, certain orthodox countries have failed to accept the community. He asserted that the Supreme Court's judgment affirms and will further strengthen the rights for everyone ensured and enshrined in the Constitution of India and reiterated to accept the third gender.
In ancient times, in every civilization, transgenders have been acknowledged and were given due recognition. We talk of Egyptian civilization, we talk of Greek civilization, and come to Indian civilization as well as the neighboring Chinese civilization, very old civilizations. And also advancement of the concept of human rights across the world, we see a slow recognition of the true nature of the whole concept of transgender.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam has opined that ban on non-biodegradable plastic products in Manipur imposed by the state government will not be fruitful without alternative arrangements. Addressing media person at Desam office in Sagolban, Moirang Klairak today, Vice President of Desam, Namairak Pam Edition, lauded Chief Minister Nongtam Mambiren for declaring that health hazardous non-biodegradable plastic products will be totally banned in the state within 3 months on to World Environment Day. However, he doubted that the success of the mission with no alternative arrangement in place and opined that the Chief Minister's declaration would end in similar manner like the ones made by the government on World Environment Day last year. He urged to the government to make biodegradable plastic products manufactured by a branded company available soon.
Plastic is thawong manung thinglani haibasi thabak to onthok pangamna bagi damak thabak to onthok na bagi damak masigi mahut sinba yaba masigi alternative arrangement ama masi koi puthok pin na ba haibadi myoy bagi hakchang na sokni ai oidaba adugumba biodegradable oiba khanglaba adugumba company singdagi sigumba biodegradable oiba plastic sing asi sijinna na bagi thorang ama masi lokhat haudragadi platform da miya mangda media sing da lauthok pi kibo wafam se wafam khakta mak lauthok khra thabak to onthok pangam oidaba adugumba phibam ama khakta laigani.
Lok Sabha MP Thangso Vaite has stated that the concept of model village will be successful only when every department functions efficiently. He made a statement at a programmed on Empowered Committee meeting for finalizing of Village Development Plan (VDP) held at CC Hall of Modbong Village in Kampopi district today. Vaite mentioned that the Deputy Commissioner, ADC, ADM, SDOs, BDOs and DLOs are required to frequently meet to address grievances and undertake development works for uplifting villages. It may be mentioned that Modbong village was selected as a model village under Sansad Adras Gam Yojana SAZY. Apunba Iraipaki Mahairoi Sinpan Lobed aims in a press release stated that the current issue at Manipur University is affecting other educational institutions in the state. The organization appealed to the concerned authorities to resolve the issue before June 10, failing which aims warrant of resulting to hesitation from June 11. Registrar in charge of Manipur University, Professor M. Shyam Keshore, in a press release informed that Dean's Committee of Manipur University, including Vice Chancellor Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, convened a meeting yesterday. The meeting decided to reschedule examination of the papers of the second and the fourth semester's examination 2018 for MA, MAC, MCOM, MILSC, which could not be conducted earlier due to crisis at the university created by the students' uproar. The press release further appealed to MUSU and MU administration to extend cooperation in ensuring smooth academic progress in the university. Hawkip Student Organization organized a one-day career guidance program at the conference hall of Kuki in P in Old Numberlands today. Water Resources Minister led by Hawkip, Additional Chief Secretary IAS Lekoyin Hawkip, Additional Chief Conservator of Forests IFS Dr. Didi Hawkip and several eminent personalities of Hawkip clan attended the event. Spokesperson at the event advised the students to pledge their devotion to their parents and encourage them to strive hard to be successful in life. Manipur People's Democratic Front in a press release urged the government of Manipur to resolve the issue arising out of the demand for implementation of the 7th Central Pay Commission in the state by GEC of Amtuk and MGO, Manipur Government Services Federation and Manipur Secretariat Services Association at the earliest. The front further questioned if the government will be able to solve the issue without involving the representatives of GAC of Amtuk and MGO in discussing the matter. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a Maibi being debarred from entering Lai Harauba Laibung after she allegedly sang a modern song at a Lai Harauba event. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. A Maibi has been debarred from entering Lai Harauba Laibung after she allegedly sang a modern song instead of hymns during a ceremonial ritual of Lai Harauba. Umang Lai Kanba Apun Balup Ukul has warned priests and priestesses and all those involved in the ritualistic observance not to carry out any unwanted conducts during Lai Harauba. The debarred Maibi priestess is identified as Sorokhaibam Ongbi Elangbam Ningol Susheela from Bisempu Ward number 7. She allegedly sang a modern song instead of ritualistic hymns on the last day of Lining Tho Koripaba Lai Harauba observance at Karikandi in Silchar on May 20 this year. Ukul probed into the incident upon coming across video clippings of the incident that went viral on social media and finally identified her. Members of Ukul came to an understanding with Sorokhaibam Susheela today and decided to ban her from entering any Lai Harauba Laibung. Speaking to media person at Ukul office in Palace Compound today, convener of Ukul M. Maniton asserted that Lai Harauba is a significant observance for a Meitei community and as such, Ukul has been keeping a strict vigil to prevent any misconducts during the observance. He maintained that the conduct of Maibi Sorokhaibam Susheela is unacceptable as it poses threat to the sanctity of Lai Harauba and as such, resolved to permanently ban her from entering any Lai Harauba Laibung. Meanwhile, Ukul has also banned Thongam Panganba Musical Association Kapot Sangbam for incorporating tabla and conducting musical program during a Lai Harauba observance.
Pressure da chat pa yadaba Maibi magi ritual reality to the chat kadaba ana hariba ima Maibi Sorokhaibam Ongbi Elangbam Ningol Susheela se ekoi matam kaktana magi Lai Harauba da changba yadaba laibung da changba yadaba haiba wafam se ngasi phamjariba ekoi ukal gi coordinating body haitare Maibi yauba ukal gi thomi myam yauba koi body amana ngasi ji warep laujare sigi warep se sana konung da thagalaga masi sana konung na ayaba pihallani
matam ko dimak satpadadi ai se kadai de soi gidage ne isana sena jaraga dum lai adubo hadaki kor kandi haibal lamdam du dadi khanghau da badagi ibung ipa mayam gi mai chopaka doba adagi loisangi ipai sa mayam pu chopaka doba ki sai se aina saure sauba ai se ngasi dagi amuhana matungda amuhana tawjararoi.
People of Yaripok, Bisnu Naha, Awangklaikai under Yaripok police station stays sitting against unknown miscreants firing bullets at the locality. Speaking to media person, locals said that the incident took place near the residence of BJP candidate of Wangkem constituency in the previous Manipur Assembly election Oinam Haridas at Bisnu Naha, Awangklaikai around 9:30 last night. The locals condemned that the act inciting terror among the people. The protesters also appealed to the authority concerned to find out those involved and take befitting actions against them at the earliest. Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur in a press release notified that the 18th death anniversary of Arangbam Samarinda will be observed at Ningsing Coal Park, Lamlai Kendra on the 10th of June. One-day discussion programmed on continuous medical education on public health, nutrition and role of nutrition in chronic kidney disease management was held at the Siroi Hall of Hotel Infal, organized by Directorate of Health Services today. Director of Directorate of Health Services, Dr. K. Razo, and Additional Director of Medical Directorate, Dr. K. H. Sasikumar Mangang, graced the event as chairpersons. Publicity Committee of Corcom in a press release conveyed their condolence on the occasion of the first death anniversary of the late S.S. Kaplang, former chairman of the National Socialist Council of Nagaland, NECNIM, GPRN, who passed away on June 9, 2017. Corcom, a joint body of various proscribed militant groups in the state, expressed their gratitude to the departed soul who dedicated to the cause of the revolutionaries till his last breath. NCUI Cooperative Education Field Project Thobalt and Oriental Women's Cooperative Society Limited, Manipur, under the aegis of National Cooperative Union of India, NCUI, New Delhi, organized a one-day district-level seminar on marketing of handloom and handicraft products, SCST, at Khetri Sanglen, Thobal today. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of Manipur State Marketing Cooperative Society Limited, Y. Ranjit, stated that Manipur will progress only when people share knowledge, expertise and experience with one another, and that it will enhance the quality and quantity of goods produced in the state. Many women weavers from various places attended the event. Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society, KIMEX, in a press release drew the attention of the government to the inconveniences facing the student due to lack of proper teacher and infrastructure required for a Thangta subject included in the syllabus of BOSEM and COSEM. Kori-rolled Sandok Lopt Wangching observed its 41st Foundation Day at Lamding Community Hall today. Release of journal and books, prize distribution and facilitation of awardees were the highlights of the event. Lighting of candle to pay tribute to the deceased writers and personalities who contributed in the field of literature marked the opening of the Foundation Day. Kori-rolled Sandok Lop Wangching's yearly journal, Itil, and books of 3 different writers were released on the occasion. 2 awards, namely Dr. Soibam Kumar, Ningsing Sahitya Mana, and Iwo Tomba Ningsing Sahitya Mana, were also conferred at the event. Students' Union of Kanglei Paksuk, in a press release, informed that the preliminary and final round of 7th Suk State Level Spelling Competition 2018 on Lotuna Lairiba Mahiroi Singhi Lausing Puthokpa Amadi Malemgi Hidan Nabagi Lambida Changshinba will be held at Johnston Higher Secondary School on July 15 and July 29 respectively. Interested students may get more details at mobile numbers 8837457630, 9863154192 or 7005153 Now the sports news. A 10-day goalkeeping course kick-off at Kumant Lampak Artificial Turf Ground today. Indigenous Sports Private Limited, New Delhi, and sponsored the course to train players on goalkeeping, as goalkeepers play a significant role in a football team and hold the major and most specialized position in the sport. AFC B licensee S. Prem Kanta, AFC B licensee L. Ronibala, and goalkeeping training coach S. Pori Anganba are all set to train altogether 72 players between 13 to 17 age group, including 20 girls from across the state during the course, which will conclude on June 17. Speaking to media person, AFC B licensee S. Prem Kanta stated that many goalkeepers from the state have participated at various national and international level football tournaments. He stated that the course is being organized with an objective to produce more good goalkeepers from the state.
Manipur just breed out any foreign countries club like East Bengal or Minerva Mayam Sina Lakpakans scouting Lakpakans the Moon Kanu Pangja exposure to Ragadi in Dantim the Gokipagi Mambi image Advocate Lakatra and Adugi thinking Madugi philosophy the Kona to Germany Konastegi breed out of Raga when a Faba Gokipamo Raga in Dagitim the Yawa on a international levels Yauraga a Faba Gokipamo Jagahi Kogi Magi philosophy of the hour this coaching.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. JSC against unnatural shifting of District Hospital in Fall East from Sagulmang says Chief Minister has invited the JSC to discuss construction of the District Hospital at Sagulmang tomorrow. Minister L. Jantukumar announces diploma course of Manipur State Film Training Institute will commence from August this year. National General Secretary of BJP Arun Singh claims BJP will win both seats of the upcoming Lok Sabha election 2019 in Manipur. Former Kumbi MLA veteran politician Ningthong Samangi leaves BJP with a resolution to join another party which has better prospects of the state. And Justice and Kwati Shore appeals to all to show regards and acceptance to transgender, the third gender in the society.